Alright guys, what's up, welcome back to KillaBoost. So obviously you saw my troll first drive with no really turbo spool or anything like that. So I was saving it for this video because today we're going to talk about KillaBoost, and the guys are amazing. So they sent and put together a whole entire kit for this car. It just got installed at LG, and obviously it's in the process of being tuned. So for turbocharger, just have quick specs on my phone. So it's a ProBoost T4 S480, and it's massive, as you guys seen on the video just earlier. The wastegate is a turbo smart with a 50mm pro gate. So the blow off valve, that thing is also a massive thing. So it sits there. It's a turbo smart and it's a race port. So pretty cool. It is an entry level KillaBoost kit for VE and the VF. And let's just go for a quick drive, listen to it. It's freaking amazing. Yeah, let's enjoy it. Have a chat about the whole entire experience. Obviously, if I was living where the KillaBoost is located, I would definitely do it for them. The kit is obviously through them is about 8,000 to 9,000. Yeah, so it's 8,000 to 9,000 for the kit. Obviously you can get it, install it yourself, and then have somebody to tune it. I went for the safe way. I got a proper shop to do all the work for me, and the KillaBoost was actually charged around 13.5 plus for actual install and tune. Basically they can fit everything together for about 13.5 plus, depending obviously what specs you're looking at and if you want to put extra stuff into it, but everything is sweet. The whole entire thing looks great in the engine bay, as you've seen, and it sounds amazing. So I haven't really driven car that much, so I'm still pretty careful of it, but we're going to do another quick pull here because we get on the highway. So we're just going to accelerate from 100. We're actually going to go from 80 to, oh, you go even less, 70 to 100. Let this car through, indicate, and then let's go. Jesus. So the thing just grabs, because it's auto, it just grabs the boost and goes for it, eh? There's no stopping. This thing is crazy, man. So I picked up the car yesterday and only drove a little bit, and it was late yesterday, so I didn't really do too much. I just went and recorded some stuff with the drone. But yeah, the more I drive it, crazy it is. Like, who doesn't not like that sound? It's amazing. And absolutely fantastic. Money well spent. Oh, that's cool. It's unreal, and it picks you. Like, I mean, we're on the highway. It's not like we're doing, you know, 0 to 60 on the light. This is the engine is working hard already, and it just pulls. We're gonna have to do a quarter-mile run for sure one day. Once the truck is done, it's gonna be first thing on the list for sure. Alright, so the whole entire process, for me, when it started, from when I decided I'm gonna go for it, and I actually put a deposit down, it took about a few weeks for KillaBoost to obviously receive the order and start actually building the kit together, because the manifolds are not just, you know, off the shelf. You can't just pick it up and it's done. It's all custom work. It's all gets done specifically for the car you're actually putting the kit on. And yeah, so it takes time. So it took about 4 weeks, I think, for the KillaBoost to get everything done, which is pretty good because it was also during a really heavy period of public holidays. And then obviously once I was done, it's got sent to Townsville, which took a fair bit of time as well, just because, you know, nothing is overnight in Australia. And obviously the kit was here, happy with that. I think one of the boxes actually arrived late because postal system a bit stuffed it. Doesn't matter. So kit got to LG, and then obviously I dropped off the car to LG. So I think LG took 3 weeks, which is pretty good. So 3 weeks LG was putting the whole entire kit in, which is like, it's not like you already have turbo car and all you're doing is swapping, you know, smaller turbo for bigger turbo, putting more boost, maybe like different manifolds or whatever. This is like a non-boosted car with nothing going to boost. Like, that's a big job. Like, I mean, you can probably rush it and do it everything in like one day, but why would you risk it? Like, it's not a cheap car, you know. But everything is amazing. There's going to be no, I'm not going to tell you any information regarding the dyno run or what boost is it running on, because it's going to be a separate video on its own. If you guys tracking any more information about the kit, give a yell to KillaBoost guys. Mention Daily Booster, they'll have extra care for you. And yeah, the guys are super responsive. All their products are great. You can see the quality of the welds and everything, and the kits is just bang on the money. So that's it. So what we're going to do, we're going to jump back on the highway and head home. And yeah, it was freaking awesome. So man, you cannot get sick of that. It's just freaking awesome. So. Oh. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. whoever said you can't buy happiness, they were lying.